I'll check if them at 2 today.
Hello. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Castle Police Department.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm here today is because we got a call in reference to something. I was wondering if we could talk to you for a second. Okay?
Yeah, of course.
Is there somewhere we can talk to her?
If you want to private, or you can just go in the back.
Yeah, you can go ahead and show us.
It's like in the very back.
Yep.
Sorry. Mess back there.
So the first question is, can you guess why we're here?
I was accused of stealing money at a party. That was it.
Okay, well, got your call. Danny.
Alright, I'm just going to read this out to you, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop questioning at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand the rights I just read you?
Sure.
Okay, so tell us about it.
I was looking for a tampon. All I was doing was trying to look for a tampon. I thought I started my period, and I had moved this girl's bag. I only paid her back because I didn't want anything to happen. I didn't want it to be put on me because I'm not that kind of person. And the way she was talking to me, like, it felt like it was going to be...
Who was the she? Was it your manager or?
No, it was a girl at the party that I guess she had messaged me. And she said, like, I saw you the one doing that.
Okay. And what's this young lady's name?
I didn't get to know her. I have it on my phone. I can show it to you.
Okay.
I think it started with an A. But she said, like, either way, I'm going to, like, put legal.
Okay, and where was this party?
It was at, like, a New Event Center in Lake Mary.
Lake Mary. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we appreciate it, but that's not necessarily why we're here today. We're here because you're being accused of theft. However, the theft is not in regards to that party. It's in regards to something that's happened here today.
Okay.
So, you have a manager who advised us that, well, not manager, you have one of your other coworkers who's advised us that they left a certain amount of dollars, very identifying marks on that, and you were the only person who stood.
Okay.
So,
She also has the receipts of the opening of when the drawer was opened, what exact time.
Okay.
where we're at right now is I can't promise you anything, but for me, and I'm sure Officer Ferrer, same thing, honesty is the best policy. Okay? So could you tell us anything about that?
If I'm wasting your time, I don't want to waste it. You guys have better things to do than this stuff. That makes sense?
No, that's that, no matter where it's from, man.
I don't know. Your time is valuable. It's sad.
Alright, do you mind coming over here for me? Just to identify?
That's not my person. Can I take a picture or do you care?
I already have all the pictures. This is going on in the report. Can you identify these bills?
Give me 1 second. Do you see any J's so far? I don't have serial numbers. Oh, the other side. I gotta get the serial number.
Well, the J's I know are winners.
There's one J. There's my J's.
There's another J here. This is the only J, but I'll get you the serial number.
That's a J.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Caitlin, I need the serial numbers.
At this moment, she's a legend. It's a little bit like I said, for me, honesty is the best policy. Okay, I do have you ever been arrested?
No, sir.
So with situations that have happened, especially with things like that, you know, I can't promise you that, but you don't have a record, so there's no pattern there. Now the situation out of Lake Mary, you know, that has nothing to do with us.
Yeah.
We're only here for this to happen today, and the stuff is happening over time. Okay, so like I said, you know, it's not for us to sit there and be like, hey, you know, you did this to come in here and about anything like that. No, it's wrong. You have to be accountable for it, right? But it's not a situation where, like I said, it's not foreseeable that you could have a future after this. Okay, so I'm gonna go talk with her, and then I'll be. Because I don't want you to go back in there, and I'll be buttered. And I have to tell you, at this moment, you're being placed in investigative detention. I'm not going to put you in cuffs or nothing like that right now. We'll get to that later, okay? We'll just go ahead.
Live supporting documentation.
May she, can she have a seat for a minute?
Of course.
May she have a seat?
I have to go to the door, so just bear with me.
You have your customary stuff. We'll do our best to keep it quiet, okay? Does this belong to you?
The $5
Yes.
that was given to me from her.
I owed her money for coffee, the 5 singles.
Oh, yes. All right, listen, I got you some. Yeah. How many did you do on the press charges?
Yes, I do.
And
Because
is
I
it-
added it up. It's $7,000 that's been going on. You're breaking my freaking heart. I have the documentation in my car. I wasn't prepared to turn it over because I was trying to rule it out. But I'll show you what I was preparing for my insurance company.
Okay, let's see that.
It's well over what she has here. I was hoping she would show it all, what you took this morning, and you didn't. So, no,
Hey,
I'm
well,
sorry.
let's make it not contentious. That's okay. Do me a favor, lift your hands up. Do anything. I'm not going to search you anything. I'll let them do that. Is that okay?
1360? Does that sound right?
307 1 250.
Does that sound right, ma'am? 1360?
I didn't.
Okay.
So it was only the one time before this? She took maybe like 300?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was making good money before and I was making a lot more.
So what, she cut your hours or something? Is there a reason why she did it?
To me, I feel like it's because I wasn't doing anything right. So it kind of sucked, but so I'm not going to jail.
Because of the amount. When she first called us, she gave us a number, and you would have gotten a notice to appear because you could have gotten. That's
Sorry.
That's our supervisor now. You would have gotten a notice to appear.
Sorry, memory stuff for me. I called them
Let me see
unnecessary.
that on paper.
You can just look at all of it. You can have it.
And that 22,000 doesn't calculate the 30.
No, because I didn't know there was an. I actually came in because I was planning on just interviewing her.
Right.
She was not originally who I thought it was going to be. I was very shocked. I got it down to just, I rolled out everybody but her and another girl. And I actually just thought it was the other girl, to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you. But now looking at all this evidence and the time clocks when she was here, it all lines up. Makes sense.
Do you recollect any of those things?
How much do you think you've taken over the years?
It's just this year, by the
It's
way.
just this
It's
year.
just this year.
How many?
I didn't keep track.
I mean, you got to have a ballpark in excess of $1,000.
How much was your purse? How much was your car?
So then I think
How much do you think? I want to hear what you think.
that was the most I've ever taken.
At a time or?
She's missing $22,000.
Let's see.
So if you don't think you took that much, you got to have a ballpark of how much you do think you
I
took.
have documentation here to show I know.
Go ahead and head north. For her to pick this up, send you a picture of it. When she's done, that way it gives her time to.
Alright, cool.
What side am I going on?
Try to keep it away from, the general public. So, like I said, I talked to her